Hi everyone, blessed be. I wanted to show you this little crystal healing kit that I bought for myself online and show you what's inside it. So first of all, there's a thank you note, but they're just generic, they're the same in every package. And then there are these two cards. Now these are two cards that are supposed to be for good luck if you carry them around. I don't know enough about them to explain why or what the symbolism on them means, but apparently they're supposed to be really good luck, and you carry them around with you, and it helps keep you fortunate, gives you good fortune. So inside the package is two pouches. Now these pouches, I don't like the material they're made out of. It makes me feel funny when I touch them, so I don't keep these. I recycle them, but you could use these for protection pouches, mojo bags, anything like that. You could reuse them for spell working if you cleanse them first. So let's have a look what's inside. So inside is a section of bubble wrap, and it's got inside the crystal items. So I'll show you this first. So wrapped up in a piece of tissue paper is the selenite stick, and this one is nice and shiny and reflective and feels quite heavy. Actually, it's quite a nice piece. The next things in the package are these little crystal towers. These are fairly low quality, but the whole bundle only cost me £21, and I bought it for the beads, the Marla beads bracelet thing anyway. I'm not 100% sure what that stone's supposed to be. This one was supposed to be citrine, but it doesn't look right, I don't know. And then the other two are aventurine and sodalite, according to the the contents online. And yeah, I mean, I'll add them to my collection. They'll go on my shelf on display. They look nice, but I couldn't tell you if they're real or not. I don't know. They feel like stone. I just think they're like a cheaper sort of version, or a bit man-made. Then here is a set of Marla beads or prayer beads, and I like these. These are obsidian with some little bits of tiger's eye and these little decorations. I really like this, and you can wear it as a bracelet or as a necklace. And this is what I bought the kit for, because a lot of Marla beads I've seen online are about 20 quid, so I was quite happy to get this kit, and then the other stuff is just added extras. So very pretty, very cute. Then the next package has got the other items in. So this kit came with an offering bowl as well, which I also wanted, and a little brass chalice. I've already got a brass chalice from another kit by the same manufacturer, a lucky coin, and a stick, a staff, miniature one obviously, and then a miniature athame, and then the little brass offering bowl. This feels quite light and very cheap, but it's a nice little decorative item, and it will work for me as a little offering bowl, or you could use it as a little money bowl. So I was quite pleased with this little kit, and it's a nice little sort of starter kit if you haven't got much stuff. But like I said, I bought it because I wanted the bracelet and the little offering bowl. So yeah, these are the items that I got. So the little mini athame I'll probably add to a piece of jewellery. The little staff I'll add into something. I'll probably create something, like might add it to some witch bells or something like that. The lucky coin I've put in my money bowl, and I've got one chalice I've already put on my altar. The other one I'll probably put on one of my other altars. and the offering bowl I'll put on my altar as well, and then the marla beads I'll wear, and the selenite will go on my moon altar, because I always use selenite on my altar, because my altar is dedicated to the goddess Selene, which is the moon goddess. So this is what comes in the little kit. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Blessed be, and bye for now.